Reviews best motorcycles for beginners. Harley-Davidson Street 500. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Harley-Davidson Street 500. This versatile and beginner-friendly motorcycle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 500 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Street 500 is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the Street 500 offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 500 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic and tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The Street 500 has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The Street 500 is ideal for riders who are looking for a stylish and affordable urban motorcycle. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Harley-Davidson Street 500 stands out for its iconic American heritage and classic styling. While it may be slightly more expensive than some other options, it offers a higher level of prestige. Expert reviews. The Street 500 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from American Motorcyclist said, "The Street 500 is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the Street 500 is definitely worth considering.